In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get sound emojis on Messenger. So Soundmojis has just been released for Facebook Messenger. And the way you get it is you need to make sure that you're running the latest version of Facebook Messenger. So I'm on an Android phone, so I head to the Google Play Store. But if you're on an Android, go to the Apple App Store. Then in the search bar of your App Store, just search for Messenger and then hit search. Facebook Messenger should be the first one that pops up. And if it says update, you want to make sure that you install that update. For me, it says open, so I can open it up. And you can go on to any single chat that you would like to use sound emojis on. And what you need to do from here is you want to click on the emoji icon there near the bottom right hand corner. And now you will notice at the top you have all those options, but you'll notice an additional one which has a little speaker icon. That is the Soundmojis button. If you tap on that, it'll bring you into the Soundmojis and you can swipe up on that to load that up full screen. And these are pretty cool in my opinion. You can have a lot of fun with the Soundmojis with your friends on Facebook. So if I make sure that the volume on my phone is on and I tap on any one of them, you can hear the clapping emoji makes a clapping sound. If I tap on the ghost, now some of them are sound effects and some of them actually play like music. So if you tap on the one with the calendar, it's going to play Rebecca Black Friday, which I'm not going to do because that's copyrighted, but I can tap on the laughing one. And then all you need to do to send this is you want to tap on that send button, and then that'll be sent in the chat to your friend that you selected. So that is how you get Soundmojis on Messenger. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.